Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. You need to begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, tap on Open. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!